This will be a quick overview of Naviance and how Naviance is used to facilitate the college application process. We will begin by accessing our Naviance account. You can do this through Clever. Once you've accessed your Naviance account, you should see this screen. From here, we will go directly to colleges I'm applying to. If you are using Common App for your college applications, the first thing you want to do is match your accounts. You can do that by clicking Match Accounts. Using the email address that you use to create your Common App account, you can match your Common App account with your Naviance account. This will automatically import the applications from your Common App account to Naviance. As you can see here, Purdue University is showing up, and that is one of the Common App schools. If you want to add a school that is not a Common App school, you will use the plus symbol in the upper right corner. For example, if you would like to add Ball State University, you can search here, select the application type, and then select how you'll be submitting that application. I'm going to be submitting this directly to the institution through their website because they do not use the Common App. I can click here to let my counselor know that I've already submitted my Ball State application, and I can click here to request a transcript be sent. I will click the initial box, and now I have requested that my initial transcript be sent to Ball State University. I can request and finish. Now my counselor can see that I am requesting transcripts be sent to Ball State University and Purdue University. My counselor can now begin to process those requests, and they can also begin to prepare the other materials that are needed to complete my application. The one thing that the counselor cannot send is your ACT and SAT scores. If you plan on sending SAT and ACT scores, you will need to access your collegeboard.org account or your ACT.org account to send those scores to the schools that you would like to send them to. If you're unsure about this process, please ask your school counselor. One of the other things that you can do is go to the college tabs at the top and request your letters of recommendation. Some schools require letters of recommendation. Others do not even accept letters of recommendation. So please make sure your school requires a letter of recommendation before asking your teacher to write you a letter of recommendation. Before you add a request, you should meet with the teacher and ask them to write you a letter of recommendation. And when doing so, you should also provide them with some other materials such as a resume, some key points that you may like added to your letter of recommendation, or even a short personal story of your success or some accomplishment or something that you've overcome to help really personalize that letter of recommendation. Once you've submitted that request to your teacher, you've completed the initial steps and you are now well on your way to getting into the college of your dreams.